What's up YouTube? We're back with a new video. If you haven't liked it already, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Today we're going to be doing something a little different. We're working on Austin's car. He has some new brakes and put an intake on it, so I'm going to show you that right now. They're all right there. No, I haven't recorded this at all. So this is Austin's new intake. He has a K&N intake on the Mini. You want to give it a little rev? I'll show you how it sounds.
You don't get much off the rev.
Yeah, you do. See? You hear a lot. It's backfiring and everything. So that's pretty cool. What did you do with the brakes here?
Oh,
so this is Austin's brakes now we're going to be installing. He has some little boys around here, but these aren't little boys anymore. Woohoo! Got some slotted and dotted boys out here. I'm going to be putting these in today on the Mini Cooper. Some performance brakes and everything. It has a performance intake. Dude, you're gonna get some power and
ceramic.
Be able to stop on a dime. Ceramic brake pads and everything. So we're gonna be installing these later, but we're gonna go for a ride real quick to show Mooch the sounds she makes with the intake. All right, we're going for a ride real quick in Austin's car. We're gonna get some choo-choo noises. Oh yeah, you hear so much more now. You hear turbo noises. I already heard it, but Mooch hasn't. It's a lot more choo-choo noises going on around here. Oh yeah. Woo. This car's torquey as hell, dude. It just flies. That is power. It's just so light and so much power.
I was gonna say, you saw me go against that.
Yeah, dude. It's
saw
quick.
How that ended.
This car is quick. We're gonna start installing the brakes on this car, and then we're gonna go for another test drive. And yeah, you're gonna have a lot more stopping power.
Are we doing this side first?
Yeah.
This is the good side. Huh? This is the shit one. So might as well get this one done out of the way first. Yeah, this one's shot. So it's a good thing we'll get this one done and out of the way first. So.
Oh, your car is so low. Oh, dude, you got the fucking things right here. Yeah,
My car is low. Thank you very much. And guess what? It's gonna be lower.
I think I can lift it there. All right, yeah, these are the
Yeah, start cranking. If it starts to fall, go back on.
Right.
Yeah, just f up my car. It's fine.
Is it full?
Dude, look, it's got a lift kit on it now.
Those are pinch welds, so those are actually meant for jacking up on.
Damn, dude, she's lifted now.
Got a lifted Mini out here.
Literally looks like.
Yeah.
How's
So
the other side look?
talk, dude. I bet it's tucking right now.
No.
Oh, it's actually lifted. Your car's just so small that it lifts the whole thing. All right, we're gonna start the brakes right here. He has man, pick what side is what here.
The top one should be driver's side. So we got
Driver's side. Underneath. So the one on the bottom here. I'm gonna start taking off the lugs here. I need some tools. So
yeah, that would
we'll get this done. Yeah, just got the tire off. These are the weirdest lugs ever. I never seen lugs like this. I know, right, dude? I never seen a lug literally be the bolt too. I don't know. Never seen it like that, but
it's just very different.
Yeah, so we got them off. I probably have to take this little. Mooch probably has some tools here, so I'm gonna start taking off the calipers, and then we're gonna figure out how this looks. So yeah, all right. So we're like halfway through this already. Hang on, let's get a good shot of this. Damn, slotted and dotted boys on this. So we're installing the new brake pads. These aren't really, that's not much different from the old one, dude. These aren't bad. Well, that one not. Where's the other one? That is beat. Yeah. So yeah, that one's beat, but we got some new pads. Yeah, we don't want the old ones.
Oh, we'll have it.
Oh, okay. Oh, the old rotor?
Old rotor.
We got the old roadie.
Backside of this bitch.
Right here.
This thing is god awful.
That is beat. There's like spots where it was touching, and
that's why I was pulsating.
Yeah, that's why it was. So that's junk. Got some new good boys here, and we're gonna finish this install. And then we're on this side. Yeah, then we still got the whole other side to go here.
It's fine. So, and then the backs too.
Yeah.
Once we get one done, we'll know what we're doing better.
Yeah, yeah. We'll go quicker. This is a little different from normal. Oh, you got some shit on
Brake
it?
lubrication.
Brake lubrication? That's how we do it. Gotta lube it before you put it in.
Do you want to show the audience before we put the wheel on?
Yeah, this is what it looks like all complete. Slotted and dotted, cleaned up. Keep the sticker for
so we know.
So we know.
Cut this is passenger side front.
Thanks, guys.
I'll stick it in the hole. You just gotta line it up. Keep going.
That is not. Mooch is used to working with tiny things.
Yes, I am. If you watched the last video, you'd know that.
Watch the last video if you haven't already. Also,
Look right here.
also like the video and subscribe.
12 little good Lucas. It's about 100, right?
It's 103 foot-pound torque.
Hopefully this works good.
I don't know. Never used it as a torque bench.
Well, we're gonna find out, I guess.
Yeah, it really ain't much. It's about the car wiggles. How I always do it.
Alright.
There she is.
Torque to spec.
There's one done. God damn.
Alright, on to the next side. Mooch and him doing the back. Oh, look at the Mini.
That's a nice one.
Nice Mini.
That one cracked.
Oh, he should have revved it.
Oh my God.
Perfect timing too, I know.
Someone comes down the street.
Yeah, he'll whip it down the street.
Friend! Mini friend!
Alright, I'm almost done with this. I just gotta put on the tire. Mooch is almost practically done with that.
Beautiful.
Yeah, I know, right? I'll show you what. Well, this side's already completed. You guys saw this. That looks dope, dude. Slotted and dotted, baby. Last one is the back here, and we'll be all done, and we'll go for a test drive, and she'll stop on a dime, dude.
I really should.
Yeah, did you spray that with brake clean?
No.
That's fine, it's the back ones. They'll just wear.
Wait, what do you do with brake?
You spray the rotor.
I haven't.
We have. Oh
I
my
bought a can.
God.
Oh my.
We have the whole can here.
You did the front one, right?
Yeah, I did
At
it.
least you did the front one.
I did the fronts.
least
At
you
least
did
your
the
fronts are gonna be fine, stopping easy. No grease on them.
Front ones are the important ones.
Alright, well, we'll get this done. I'm gonna get the tire on real fast.
I told Mooch while you were washing your hands I was gonna put the wheel on, so when you came out he was gonna be like, look, he did the fucking wheel for you.
Yeah. Alright, she's torqued the spectacles. Alright, we got that wheel in. Mooch is almost done with this. As soon as he compresses, you got it compressed? Oh, you got them all on, alright.
You're on, bitch.
Bitch. Yeah, we'll do this real quick. I could probably start loosening up these. Or are they loosened?
No, they're not loosened yet.
Yeah, I'll loosen them up and we could start it right away. Alright, got the back tire on, go ahead and drop it. Hell yeah, dude. Got some new boys on there.
Oh yeah, dude, those are nice. That looks sweet.
Some new boys. That's pretty cool. Now we have one more to do here.
One more. Just that
more.
back and we're done.
Yeah.
And then we can go drive her and test them out.
Well, this is how we clean it. Clean it up real nice.
I mean, it works.
The hub's all cleaned up, good to go. Look at how corroded that is. I would not want to change the hub at all.
You want me to clean that off?
Yeah, I'll clean it up. Finish the last side here. Go ahead and start her up. What's
That's
up?
good. Oh yeah, I forgot.
Yeah, you got
to
a
do that.
pumper. Yeah, it's gonna be bad.
Nothing.
No
It would've
lights.
threw- it
Cool.
would've threw it by now.
We got Mooch loading up all the scrap. But look at this. Slotted and dotted, dude. All done, dude. That's sick.
Slotted and dotted, a little bit bigger than they were before.
Yeah, they're bigger, new. We'll start. All we're doing right now is cleaning up real quick. Then we will be going on a ride. Put this away. I gotta go wash my hands too, and I gotta pee.
I'm a little nervous.
A little nervous, huh? Well, it either could be really squishy or really stiff. So, oh, yeah, it's gonna make sounds for a minute. You gotta let them wear in too. Yeah, this is our first test drive here. We're gonna go get some McDonald's as well. Just go. Yeah, go that way. Whew. A little stiffer?
No stutter.
No stutter, yeah, because they're nice and smooth, good brakes now.
That's beautiful. There's like
Nice
no
and smooth, huh? Yeah, I gotta do mine soon too. Mine are getting pretty worn. I might get some slotted and dotted bad boys on here. But we got some performance brakes. You know what that means? You got a brake check. Oh man,
warp them real quick.
they won't warp. Give it a good slam. Here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you gotta let them more in. Yeah. I think we should buy that for a shop. That'd be dope, dude.
That would be sick.
That'd be really cool. YouTube, hey, how you doing? Subscribe. You guys should subscribe if you guys want to see us or help support us. We got some McDonald's. We just tested out the car.
Why?
Well, I'm gonna end the video here. We're gonna go bike after this too and have some fun after we eat. But I'm gonna end it here. If you guys liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. We got some performance brakes on his car, so I'm gonna add that to a playlist if you want to see the first one showing off his car.
I'm sorry. Hot mustard. I'm so excited.
I'll see you in the next one. Peace.